Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, on how to withdraw money from Wise in Peru. This method lets you move your funds easily and securely to your local bank account. Let's begin. First, sign into your Wise app or access your account on the website. Next, go to the Balances or Account section and pick the currency you want to withdraw. Then, tap on Send or Withdraw and choose Bank Account as the transfer option. Now, enter your Peruvian bank details, including the account number, bank name, and any other information Wise requests. After that, type in the amount you'd like to transfer, and carefully review the fees and delivery time shown. Finally, confirm the transaction. Wise will process your request, and your money will be sent directly to your Peruvian bank account. You'll also receive a confirmation once the funds arrive. That's it. Withdrawing money from Wise in Peru is straightforward, safe, and quick. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.